Hello, Shalafia ni. I hope I meet you well. It's Adola here again. The voice of Yoruba Lemi. And in this video, I want to talk about how to pronounce these two different alphabets, how to pronounce their sounds. I realized that most Yoruba learners find it difficult to pronounce these two sounds, like different from each other, especially the non-Yoruba. No, because Yoruba has its own unique sound, accent marks, everything. So there's a way you call it that will be very clear and meaningful. So I'll be showing us how we can do it better. All right. Now, this is B, A, B, B. While the other one is B. Now, some people would, when they want to call, let's say, Agbalagba, they will say Abalaba. Some will say Mobabe, something like that. Some will say Miobo instead of Miobo, instead of Agbalagba, instead of Bagbe, Mufegbe something, Mufebe something. This is, I know it is a challenge for most especially the non-Yoruba because of the tongue. All right. So now, let's get into it. Pronouncing B, B, you are closing your two lips. B, B, A, B. Mo fẹ́ lọ bá bàbá, right? Bá mi ṣe something. Mi ò tíì bá ẹ ṣe something. Mò ń bọ̀. And like that, don't forget that the B sound, you are closing your two lips. Now the B sound. Let's try this method. Now, you want to assume that you have hair in your, let's assume you have hair in your mouth. And you're trying to, just like it is coming from within, you're trying to force it out. Now, just look at me. Watch the way I do it. B. Coming from the side and I'm pushing it out. B. B. There's no way you will push the hair out from your cheeks and you still pronounce the B again. Not be possible. So B. Mo fẹ́ gbé. And don't forget that you have to do this cautiously. So try this. Now, you may not get it the first time. Okay, let's say you will not get it the first time. You try again the second time. You do it again the third time. You try again the fourth time. Consistent practice will help you to get it right, to get it better. Now, shall we do it again? B. Mo gbàgbé. Mo. This is B. This will give us babe. While this will give us gbàgbé. Mo gbàgbé. Try it out and let me know if this works for you. So in my next video, I'll be talking about these two sounds, these two alphabets, their sounds with examples. All right, did you find it helpful? Let me know. Until I come your way again, I remain Adunola Abosede, and I am Yoruba, proudly so, unapologetically so, and beautifully so. Till I come your way again, I wish you goodness. Bye.